If you ignore cracked heels, also called fissures, they can become more than just an inconvenience and actually result in more severe issues. Your feet deserve some extra care, so why not start by moisturizing them at least 2 times a day? This small act of self-care can go a long way in treating cracked heels and preventing more serious issues down the line. It's a good idea to search for moisturizers that have a thick consistency. This will provide your skin with the extra nourishment it needs to stay hydrated and healthy. There are moisturizers that have ingredients like urea, salicylic acid, or alpha-hydroxy acid, which can make your skin feel softer and smoother. These ingredients may also assist in getting rid of dead skin cells. You may experience a slight stinging or irritation when using them. Before sleeping, take extra care of your heels by soaking them in plain or soapy water for about 10 minutes, then gently pat them dry. Afterwards, use a loofah or foot scrubber to softly exfoliate your heels and eliminate any dead skin cells. Put on a thicker cream that is oil-based or petroleum jelly, and then wear a pair of light cotton socks before sleeping to help the moisturizer absorb into your feet. Neglecting dry and cracked heels can be risky, as it may lead to deeper fissures and increase the likelihood of infection. It is important to give your feet proper care and attention. Consider discussing other treatment options with your doctor if self-care methods do not provide relief.